Cheers! Cheers! Ananda, sashimi tuna. Oh my! And then I'll put a lot of wasabi. Woo! Love it! Love it! Lala. Fresh na fresh, oh. Diba? Oh, nakikita mo na yan, yung pagkapula ng salmon. Oh lala! Alright! Gosh! This is too much meat. Right? There we go.